Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. If you are new here, my name is Shanrel. I mostly talk about makeup and beauty and panning. It's kind of my favorite part of the whole beauty world, but I also really enjoy subscription boxes and I love tea. So I do get this subscription box. This is the Sips by subscription box if you've never heard of it before. It is $15 a month. You fill out a profile of the teas you like, the things that you don't like, and they will curate a box just for you and send it to you. So when you first open it up, there's a little card on the top that tells you what month it's for, but then on the back it talks about all the different teas that you have been sent and all of like the brewing guidelines and things for each tea. The other thing, if you get any loose leaf, they will include this wonderful little packet here. This is a reusable muslin tea bag. Do you know what I've used this muslin bag for? Making soup stock. I was making a Korean recipe that required using dried fish, and I didn't have like the big soup stock made bag that she had, and I used this tea bag. I thought it was awesome. You just peel this little thing off and you can use this bag. So yeah, I keep all of these for making soup stock and such. But anyway, on the inside are the reusable tea bags. And I do use these as well. They are super handy. Did I say reusable? This one's reusable. The ones that come in here are single use. That's what I meant to say. Okay, let's get into what actually came in my box this time. Oh my, okay, so on the top, I'm actually seeing some tea bags. They look like this. Looks like it's from the brand Tanzania Tea Collection. 100% made in Tanzania, organic cinnamon spice black tea. Ooh, that sounds great. Now, my whole life I call it Tanzania. Now I've heard people call it Tanzania. If someone knows for sure, let me know how to pronounce that country. But I'm looking forward to trying this. I've never tried tea from Tanzania before, so very excited to try that out. And also it seems like a flavor profile that I would enjoy. Okay, next I see something from the brand Bare Leaves, which has been featured a few times before in my Sips by boxes. I usually like their tea. Ooh, I think I'm gonna like this one. This is the Golden Yunnan Black Tea. Fantastic. I love Chinese tea in particular. This is organic and it has sweet, soft, earthy notes. Wonderful. Very exciting. And that's a nice size packet too. Enjoy this very much. Okay, now there's something interesting. These little packets here. So these are like single servings of, let's see, what is this? Jasmine green. Oh, fun. I love jasmine tea. These are called Peak tea crystals. I've never had tea crystals before. What does it say about it? You use 1 packet per 8 ounces of water, which can be cold or hot. It contains all the nutrients of tea crystallized. Very interesting. So it's like instant type tea. I've never tried it, and that's one of the things that I really enjoy about a tea subscription box like this is getting to try different things. So yeah, this is very different. I think I might try this one today just because it's so different. But there is one more thing in here. Oh, here's another packet of those. Good, very nice. I'm happy they sent me 4 packets. So lastly, there's something from Tea Motions. This is their Share Love brand. This rich earthy tea is blended with rose petals to open your heart, encourage connection, and deepen genuine love. Okay, well, I'm not much honestly into rose in my tea. I may need to go into my little profile and make sure I have marked, please don't send me rose products. I have discovered it's just not my favorite, but I'm still willing to try this. Oh, I didn't even see that. It's pressed. Pressed in the shape of little hearts. Now I have tried like pressed tea cakes like this. Usually it's pu'er type tea, but this does not say it's pu'er. It just calls it a pressed tea heart. Very interesting. But always in these videos, I like to brew something, try it out for you guys. I've got to try out this jasmine instant tea crystal type thing. I will be right back to try this out. All right, I am back with my brewed tea. You can see it's got a little bit of like froth on the top. I think that's just from, crystals turning into tea again, I suppose. And I didn't think that it looked crystally, like I was expecting almost like grains. It was very powdery. As for the taste, let's start with the aroma. It smells like jasmine. I love jasmine tea. The aroma is perfect. Now for the taste. It's not my very favorite, but I think maybe next time I would try to go with even cooler water. I made sure to only use 170-degree water. If you use water that's too hot with green tea, it can make it bitter. This isn't really bitter, but it does have some bitterness. When I drink jasmine green, I want it to just be floral and sweet. So maybe the water was just a couple degrees hotter than it needed to be. So I'll try this again with cooler water, see if it makes a difference. However, it's still delicious. I will still happily drink the cup, and I like the idea of instant tea. As long as there's no chemicals added to it to make it taste funny, and according to the packet, that's all that's in there is just plain jasmine green tea. So that's fantastic. I like that. It's great for travel. Oh, the other option with this is that you could use it iced. And maybe I'll like it better iced as well. Anyway, I'm glad they sent me such interesting teas this month. I'm still enjoying my Sips By subscription. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate your time. I just noticed I'm wearing, I forgot to take off my scrunchie from my wrist. I've been wearing it this whole time. It's so warm, so good. This is my first cup of tea today. I needed it. All right, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.